Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install custom LED lamp notifications on a Google Pixel 5a. To do this you'll need to get to Google Play Store. Here enter Notify Body. Select this app and download it. After installation process is finished, open the app, move to the next step and grant 3 permissions. Last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable, and I'm gonna leave it as a default so it's enabled. In case your app doesn't work properly, you can move back and disable it. Now let's proceed. And from here we can start using this app. So there's 4 tabs: User, System, Active and Settings. In User you can pick any app to allow for a custom LED lamp notification. In System you can find all system-bound apps. In Active there's all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can change anything about your LED lamp, like a size, shape, placement on the screen. Now to see the actual LED, click on a test and you can see it right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.